Demco is a diversified company. We build various equipment from agricultural to towing equipment to brake products here at the Boyden location. Over at the Spencer location, it's mainly kingpin trailers, from gondolas to drop deck trailers to tender trailers. My challenges are making sure that Demco is getting the quality parts and pricing on-time deliveries of everything we consume here at Demco.
Our top priorities for OEM parts would be quality and inventory management, making sure we don't run out of parts, and having Fastenal's hand in that takes it off our plate. The transition with Fastenal was pretty flawless. They had a team around for full support all the time until everything was settled. And they helped us make sure all of the parts matched up to our current supplier's parts, and knowing that we were getting the correct parts and the high quality parts that we needed.
So we documented parts. We ran it through our PFEP, our plan for every part, thinking that as a document or a playbook for each individual SKU in an Excel, documenting where the parts are used line side and in between particular cells. It also hosts our engineering documentation. So if we have prints for the part, if a PPAP's required for the part, if we need to do first articles for the part, all that is contained within the PFEP.
Our engineering team got the chance to actually review some samples and review prints that were provided to us as, hey, these are the parts that you guys are going to be supplying. So we had the chance to really just ensure that what they were getting in their bins and what they were being supplied previously was meeting the requirements of the print that they had, on document.
So we take all of that data and work that process and determine a plan for each part.
The spreadsheet was huge. All the parts on the Excel sheet were coded, and once we cleared through the part, it was cleared, and we marked the parts that needed to be worked through, and then that's what we worked on. So it wasn't complicated at all. It made it very easy to move forward. We chose to do a trial run over at our Spencer location on the OEM side. That transition went well. We did that for approximately 9 to 12 months. After we went through that process, we chose to bring Fastenal over to the Boyden location and started with the OEM side here as well with the RFID. After half year, if you will, on the OEM side, we decided to move forward with the MRO side through vending.
So today we work mostly off of RFID bins, which scans our product when we need it, and Fastenal brings it in. We also have some other locations throughout the plant that Fastenal directly supplies without an RFID bin. Fastenal has recently taken over our tool crib, where they supply a lot of MRO items right in-house. We can't build product without Fastenal supplying, and having that inventory right in town and some of it right in-house keeps our production lines going every day.
As we started to view MRO, we thought, what technologies could we bring to the table after giving the OEM a facelift and bringing in technology? We thought, how can we bring that into the MRO sphere? By implementing our vending, we were able to do two things. Reduce on-hand inventory in the tool crib and clean up that space and give back real estate, as well as get product to point of use where it was needed on lines.
The vending, everybody's assigned a badge number and a password. With that, we're able to put restrictions on items, we're able to control usages. Along with that comes the reporting side. We're able to see the transactions, see the weekly reports of where items are going and where our money is being spent. I can't say enough about our Fastenal team here in Boyden with Edgar and Kelly and Aaron and Jake. They're very involved, very knowledgeable. If they don't have the answer, they get us the answer. We're in this together. We work hand in hand and we communicate very well together.
Fastenal's engineering team has supplied us with a lot of support. They quite often will give us suggestions on how we can change a part or improve that part. I also have team members from Demco that reach out to me frequently to change something as simple as the drive on a screw, whether they want it to be Torx drive, and Fastenal's engineering team has been wonderful in supporting us with those changes.
We want to be the problem solvers for our customers through our resources like failure analysis, our applications team where they can do custom or standard testing, even down to the education part of it. We want our customers to know that they have a resource to lean on in the event of a fastener failure, in the event of a new product development, or any type of fastener related problem out in the field.
Yeah, some initial fears were, can Fastenal do this or can Fastenal do that? Well, it turns out that Fastenal has pretty much unlimited resources. We're looking at overseas items now. We're just diving deep into it.
The resources, engineering, the safety, the resharpening, the calibration, tool repair. It just goes on and on, the resources that are available to us. Makes my job easier, makes my team's job easier. When you partner with a great company like Fastenal, it makes everybody's lives better.